What's up, y'all? I'm gonna be doing a bike check video tomorrow on Chell's PK Ripper. A lot of people have been asking me about it because this is what I rode at the San Diego Pit Bike Stampede, and people were asking about the bike. So I'm about to do a full bike check on Chell's PK Ripper, her race bike. Yes, it's going down tomorrow. Be prepared. Let's play a little game, guys. How much money do you think I spent on this bike? I know just by looking at it, it looks like nothing. Unless you really know parts and prices. It just looks like a regular 20-inch bike. To me, it looks like a regular 20-inch bike. But a lot of cash was put into this bike for Chell and her racing. So let me know what you guys think. What do you guys think this thing is worth? Not worth. What do you think I spent on it? What do you think I spent on this bike? I want you guys to guess. And we'll see who gets the closest. I'll shout out your YouTube if you want, or whatever. Instagram, let me know. What do you think I spent on this bike? This is the most expensive bike that I own. Okay? The most expensive one. Right here. Profile, box, Pro Max, complete build up. This bike was frame only. It did not come with anything. I had to purchase every single part on this bike. These are not the pedals that go on here. Chell has some clip pedals, Answer clip pedals. So let me know what you guys think, man. Let's see who gets the closest.